All right, YouTubers, it is time to change the spark plug wires on a 6.6 liter Lincoln Ford, that is 400 cubic inch. You might get a better spark and better fuel economy if that applies. Maybe out of 10 miles a gallon you're gonna get 10 and a half or 11. All right, so if you're a very qualified technician, then you're gonna know the timing on the distribution set that you have over here. If not, you follow my advice and you write 2 number here, 3 on this, 4 on this, the same number on the distribution cap, and goes 5, 6 over here, 7, 8. We just replace put a new wire. All right, and of course you have the main one that brings the electric power from the coil to the distribution cap. That is unmistakable because it is very short. So first thing you do, of course, after you buy your parts, is to lay them down on a table and try to measure them and put them in order, because you're gonna need that. If you don't do this, it is not gonna fit your new position that we're gonna put them in. This is the shortest one, which goes from, of course, from the coil to the distribution cap. All right, so we did take off one of them, the ugly one, to the furthest point into the furthest spark plug, that is, it's right here. All right, so oops. So as you can see, the old one came out without the hookups, and even if I have tools to remove this, it came out of the spark plug wire. This is no good, because you might have a really bad connection over there, and one of your spark plug wires will not give it out its best. So let's put a new one in. This is the new one, the new plug in. Let me put some grease on it, because next time I want to take it out, I want to be smooth and without problem. So when you buy the spark plug wires, they give you a little bit of a good grease that can stand the high temperatures. I'm gonna apply some of it on the top of the, let me try to do it with one hand. Is not so easy, but we can do it. We are self-doers. So here we go. With one finger you put on the spark a little bit of it, and your spark is gonna be beautiful. I changed the spark plugs only a few thousand miles ago, so I expect them to be working in proper condition. Now let's plug this in, and it goes in. As you can hear, it plops right in. This is a little long, we're gonna adjust it later on. All right, so we go to the next one.